Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are looking at my first ever intentional purchase from Simply Gilded. I've got Simply Gilded washi from Wild University. I got Simply Gilded washi with the collab they did with Archer and Olive. I have never actually ordered from Simply Gilded before. I gotta tell you, I found their website a little confusing. I wasn't really sure what I was purchasing. And the packaging it comes in did not help. So I determined from my packing list that this is one item. So this is called Spring Bunnies Bundle 4 washi plus JC. JC really only means two things to me. One is Jesus Christ and the other is Jersey City because I live in New Jersey. So I don't know what that means, so we're going to find out because I don't know what that means. And we've got bunnies running loose everywhere. What does it mean? Some bunny loves you, Simply Gilded. Okay, journal card. I think, right? Pretty on one side, blank on the other, journal card. Okay, so we've got now another JC. Okay, so the bag is cute, I guess. It's a bag. So there are four, there's a lot of washi here. Are we gonna swatch all this? I guess we're gonna swatch all this. Okay. That's the non-sticky side. I mean, it's washi tape, doesn't actually matter, but I still like to use the waxy side. So this is apparently like 4 rolls of bunny washi tape. And they do say Simply Gilded on the outside, but the little circle is like foily and pretty, so I kind of feel bad opening all of these, to be perfectly honest with you. Alright, so this one is blue. Let's see how blue. If I can get the washi to come up off the roll. So is it usually difficult to get their washi off the roll? Or am I just, like, challenged? Because I'm totally willing to admit that I may be challenged. Okay, we're going to need a lot of room, so we're going to start at the top. Alright, so this is indeed a very light pastel blue, which is nice, with bunnies and silver bows. Because this is another company with bows. Everybody likes bows. What everybody does not like is the plastic packaging on the washi, because it is super annoying. I really do feel guilty ripping these pretty stickers on this washi, though. I really do. Okay. I can't remember. There may be a referral code. There may not be a referral code. If there is, it's in the description. I'll pop text up. I can't remember. And I can't remember if I already said that, so it's possible I'm repeating myself while I struggle to get the washi off the roll. So I'm starting to think maybe it's not me, it's the washi. Okay, so this one is a white background with leaves and bunnies, silver foil, and pink flowers. So it looks like it's actually, is that gold or silver? Alright, this one is gold and looks very similar to that one, aside from color and, you know, gold foil. Now, I'm trying to remember, this was a set. I don't know if this was an individual purchase option or not. I don't think it was. There was some kind of sale. You know me, if there's a sale, I'm there. Oh my goodness. Alright, it is definitely the washi. So this appears to be silver foil. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. And like I said, remember this was a set. Background is pastel yellow. And we've got bunnies and florally leaves and something pink. I guess it's a flower. Let's see. Yeah, flowers. So we've got bunnies amongst the flowers. So yeah, so that's yellow. It's not a horrible yellow, I will admit that, but, you know, it's yellow. It's not the worst yellow I've ever seen, though. Okay, this one, the plastic doesn't even want to come up. Still feeling guilty about the stickers. Now, let's see, is this washi This is my favorite sized washi, by the way. I do believe that this is all 15 millimeter and that this is my favorite sized washi. I know 15 millimeter is my favorite size, so that must be what this is. Oh, nice. I broke a nail trying to get washi off a roll. That should not be a thing, guys. You should not sacrifice your nails for washi. That's messed up. So maybe it's just this particular bunny batch. We'll see when we get to the other bag, because there's more. Alright, so this one is pink. So we've got like all the Easter colors here. And it's got leaves, and these bows are definitely gold. In fact, those also look gold. It looks like the blue might be the only actual silver because these all look gold. Leaves and flowers, bunnies. So it's basically the same washi, just the bow color is different on one, and the backgrounds are different. Which, I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but if I had realized that, I maybe wouldn't have bought this. But it is cute. It was on sale, and it was a bundled set. So there's that washi. Now we have another package. So like I said, there was a sale. So I bought some individual washi that was like deeply discounted. And there was also a mystery washi tape that you could get for $2. So I did do that. The problem is now I have to figure out which one that is. Okay, so I have sorted out what these things are mostly. Alright, so, oops, wait, what are you? Ah, okay, another one. Alright, so this bag is cute. It's got constellations on it. I like that. I might find a use for that. So I got this sticker for free in here. This is like my whole, like the rest of my order, not the bundle thing. I got a sampler sticker sheet, which is cute. And I got a journaling card, which is not, like, none of these are mentioned, so these are obviously like order freebies. So that's really cool. There is, the mystery washi is here. I have another giveaway pile going, and that is a whole bunch of washi and the washi dispenser that came in the Happy Planner Be Happy box, because I don't like it. And, you know, if I have things I don't like, I would prefer that they go to people who, you know, will like them. So this is going in that giveaway pile. It does have bunnies on it, so it probably won't be too useful this year unless you just like bunnies. But this is, like, not my bag, so this is going to go in that giveaway. Like, right this second, I just dropped it in there. Okay, the rest of these things I ordered on purpose. So let's start with this one. This is a Hummingbird Story ombre dipped pen with silver hardware. So I think this was like something that had been in one of their previous sub boxes or something. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what the deal was. Like I said, their website was very confusing to me. So it says Simply Gilded here, and then down here in silver it says Hope, and there's a star, and it's got like this blue and purple ombre. So I really liked that. I do have another Simply Gilded pen. I think Desiree had given me that. I think it was Simply Gilded. Was it? Yeah, this one. Desiree sent me that one. And this other one, which is from Plaything. So anyway, I just took the wax off it, so it's not like a used pen or something, but I don't want to... Let me get this sticky note off of here. So yeah, writes well, black ink, and it's cute. So that will go with the pen collection. Alright, and now we can look at the washi that I did purchase on purpose. There's 5 different patterns, but there are 6 washi tapes, because one of them I got 2, and you'll see why in a second. So this one is called Twilight Fireworks. It's 15 millimeter, and it's all 15 millimeter. And it's got a silver sparkler holographic foil. Now, it is not red, white, and blue, but if you can't figure out why I might have purchased 2 of these, then you don't spend enough time with me, and you need to watch more of my videos. And this I have no problem getting off the roll, so obviously there's a problem with the bunny washi. And this is nice and thick as well. So, this is silver sparkler hollow foil. That is super cool, and this is all fireworks on a pink and purple ombre background. They're calling Twilight. So the pretty sticker is going to get to stay intact on the duplicate until I need it. But that's really cool. Okay, Okay, and the next one I got, these next three have a common theme. So this one is Cinderella Fairy Tale Floral Washi. If I can ever get it out of the plastic. I'm going to be probably heavily editing this because the amount of time that I have to spend getting washi off is ridiculous. And this one comes right off too, so seriously, the bunny washi is clearly defective. Okay, so it is Cinderella, so we have a lot of blue and silver sparkle foil, right? Silver foil. That's what it looks like on the roll, and it is super pretty. Okay, this next one is called Princess Pink Fairy Tale Washi, and this has light gold foil, and this is really pretty. That's what it looks like on the roll. Now, we're only doing washi. We should come in a little more so that, well, now you might not be able to see the next couple. Alright, we'll see how that works. But that way you get a little closer to that. Okay, and this next one is called Purple Royalty Fairy Tale Foil Floral Washi, and this also has light gold foil. So they're all very similar pattern-wise, but the colors are different and the foils are different. So they are useful in other, that's what it looks like on the roll. So they're useful for lots of things, garden things, Disney princess things. I just feel like loading my planner with florals today things, because you guys have seen me do that. Alright, so we got one left. And this last one, I gotta tell you, I have absolutely no idea why I purchased it, other than I thought it was really cool. I think it'll probably be useful for like Halloween spreads, maybe. I don't know, might be useful for other stuff, but this is just super cool in my opinion. And it was a little hard to get off the roll, by the way. So it might not just be the bunnies. So this is called Rainbow I Love Chemistry Washi, and it's got like gold foil. And that's just really neat looking. We've got like the beakers and little clouds and the nucleus and or atoms, or I don't remember. I used to be a big science geek when I was in high school, and then I went to college and I forgot most of what I learned. But this was really cool. So you'll probably see this around Halloween. You might see it before. I might find a use for it. Might be good for, I don't know, cooking the spreads. I don't really know. But I liked it, and that's really the only reason I need to buy anything. So, so that is why I got this one. This is what it looks like on the roll, which I think is just really, really, I mean, come on. Come on, focus. That's just cool. Alright. We'll pick this up. Because it's washi, we can do that. And I'll do a close-up of all of them on the card. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.